Good morning, children. This is Shashi here. So, we are going to study chemistry, and in previous class, we have studied this activity. This activity already we have studied that some liquids which are soluble in water, so they were called as miscible liquids. Okay, the liquids which were soluble, which were able to mix in the water, they were called as what? They were called as miscible liquids. Like alcohol is miscible liquid, vinegar is miscible liquid, orange juice is miscible liquid. Okay, they are miscible liquid. Why they are miscible liquid? Because they can be mixed into water, mixed, or you can say soluble in water. Okay, so the liquids which are soluble in water or different liquid are called as miscible liquid, and the liquid which will not be soluble in water or other liquid, they will be called as what? They will be called as immiscible liquid. So what are immiscible liquid? Kerosene oil. Have you seen ever that kerosene can be mixed in water? No. So this is immiscible liquid. Kerosene is immiscible. Coconut oil or any oil you take, none of the oil will be soluble in water, so they are called as what? Immiscible liquids. Okay, so the liquids which are soluble in water or other liquid are called as miscible liquids, and which are the liquids which are not soluble or insoluble in other liquid are called as immiscible liquid. So immiscible liquid, kerosene oil, coconut oil. Miscible liquids, alcohol, vinegar, and orange juice. Okay, so this already we have discussed, and I have given you the question related to this also. I hope you have solved it. Okay, now move to the next part. Moving to the next part, what is there? Okay, now you can see gases such as nitrogen, hydrogen, methane are insoluble in water. Insoluble means they cannot be mixed in water, they cannot dissolve in water. What kind of gases? Nitrogen, hydrogen, and methane, they are insoluble in water. Insoluble. Okay, means they cannot be mixed or dissolved in water. Okay, so these are the gases which will not dissolve in water. What are the gases? Nitrogen, hydrogen, methane. They will insoluble. Insoluble means which will not dissolve, which will not mix in what? In water. And some gases can be dissolved in water, like oxygen. Oxygen, carbon dioxide are soluble in water. Oxygen and carbon dioxide, how can you say that oxygen is dissolved, can dissolve in water? Like fishes, have you seen? They are in water, they can swim in water, they can live in water, fishes. So how they get the oxygen? For every living being, oxygen is required to survive. So the fishes live in water. From water only they get oxygen. Okay, from water they get oxygen because oxygen is mixed in water. Okay, so the oxygen can be dissolved in water or soluble in water. Then carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is can also dissolve in water, or you can say soluble in water. Carbon dioxide, like in cold drinks carbon dioxide is mixed. Okay, that's why whenever you drink cold drink, then what happens? After some time, carbon dioxide gases comes out from your mouth or nose. It happens or not? You must have observed. So those gases, what are those gases? Those gases are carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Okay. Okay, so some gases cannot be dissolved in water, like nitrogen, hydrogen, methane, they are insoluble in water. Means they cannot be dissolved in water. and some gases can dissolve in water. They are soluble in water. What are those gases? Those gases are oxygen. Just now I have given the example of fish. It can dissolve in water. That's why fishes can breathe in water. Then carbon dioxide. In cold drinks, carbon dioxide is there. Okay. So it is soluble in water. Oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay. Then ammonia gas. Ammonia gas, part of tear gas. Tear gas you must have heard. Means if you'll come in contact with that gas, tears will come out from your eyes. So ammonia, generally known as tear gas, is highly soluble in water. Means they can be easily soluble in, they can easily mix in water. Which gas? Ammonia gas. Which gas? Ammonia gas. Okay. Then oxygen dissolved in water is used by fish for respiration, means for breathing. Just now I told you. Then carbon dioxide dissolved in coke, just now I told you, such as Coca-Cola, Pepsi, etc. Okay, which provide fizz to the drinks. Fizz to the drinks. Okay. So it also act as the source of food for water plants. Okay. So what we have discussed, that some gases are soluble, means can mix in water, and some gases cannot be mixed in water. Which gases can mix in water? Cannot mix in water: nitrogen, hydrogen and methane. What are the gases which can dissolve in water? Oxygen, carbon dioxide and ammonia. Ammonia is also known as what? Tear gas. Okay. So ammonia is also known as what? Tear gas. Ammonia, part of tear gas. Okay. Now come to another part. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Come to this part. Fill in the blanks. So first one is given. So the first one is given. Coconut oil and water, when mixed together, form two separate layers after some time. These liquids are coconut oil and water. They cannot mix in water. Okay, which cannot dissolve in water or soluble in water. They are called as what? Immiscible, which cannot dissolve. Okay, so what will be your answer? Your answer will be immiscible. Okay, immiscible. So your answer will be immiscible. First answer. Come to the second one. Dash is gas. Dash gas is a part of tear gas. Just now I told you which gas? Ammonia gas. Ammonia. So this is your answer. Ammonia gas is part of tear gas. Okay. Ammonia. Then sugar syrup is a sugar syrup. Sugar syrup is made up of what? Sugar and water. Okay. So it is what? It is a solution. It is a solution. Then potassium permanganate solution uniformly spreads in water. It is potassium permanganate. It is dash in water. Okay, I'll come to this part next. Sand is, can you mix sand into water? Sand you cannot mix in water. So it is insoluble in water. Okay, it is insoluble in water. Okay. Then dash is a gas which provide fish to the cold drink. Which gas? Carbon dioxide. In cold drink, which gas is there? Carbon dioxide, and which provide fish to the gas. Okay. Then lemon juice is a dash of lemon juice, sugar and water. Lemon juice is a what? Mixture. Lemon juice is a lemon juice is a solution. Okay, solution of lemon juice, sugar and water. Okay, what you write here? Solution. Got it? So this fill in the blanks you have to do in your copy. And one more question. Name two miscible liquids and two immiscible liquids. This question already I have given you. Okay. So this fill in the blanks and this question you will do in your copy. Okay. So see you in the next class. Thank you.